For Virginia resident Jessica Pope, getting stuck in Jamaica during the worst hurricane in the island's history is not what she planned. When she, her husband, and their 4 friends booked their annual October getaway to the Caribbean this year. Instead of the blue skies and the beautiful waters the islands are famous for, Jessica and her group got this: a front seat to the wanton destruction of Hurricane Melissa. Their waterfront hotel in southwest Jamaica is just miles from where Melissa made landfall in New Hope yesterday with devastating force. And it's where Jessica and her friends are still stranded today. Jessica and friends, hi, welcome.
Hi.
Well, first, all of you are smiling. That's a good sign. I want to ask how all of you are doing. What's the last 24 hours been like? Jessica.
It's been very stressful. I don't know that we processed it yet. I know that we're kind of still in like, what do we do next? What's the next step? What's the plan? We're trying to keep our spirits up. We were able to talk to our families this morning, so that brought a lot of us a lot of peace because we knew they were home hearing Lord knows what. And so that helped a lot. But I mean, we're doing okay. Sandals has treated us amazing. They've kept us fed. They've worked all day to clear the pathways, so when we can go out and leave our rooms, we're safe. Any room that was just destroyed, our friends, their room was completely destroyed, so they were moved to a safer area. And yeah, we're doing okay. Long story short.
Yeah, you mentioned your friend's room was destroyed. Can you tell me a little bit about the damage, or can your friend?
That was our room. So after the iPath, the second part of the roof of our building came through and busted the window out, which created like a whirlwind effect, wind tunnel. And so my husband and I retreated to the bathroom, and he made me get in the tub, and I was completely hysterical, and he was completely calm. And he held our door shut for 2.5 hours until it calmed down a little bit, and I could climb on the toilet, and I started screaming for Jess and Shelly. And then they came over, and we made her run for their room. It was a long 2.5 hours.
That sounds terrifying. So the window is blown out. You and your husband are hiding in the bathroom from all the winds and the flooding for 2 hours. I am curious, you guys plan this every year. This seems like a very fun bunch, by the way. Do you know that there was a chance of a hurricane when you headed down to Jamaica? Or I'm sure you didn't know you'd be stuck there, but did you have an idea this might be coming?
No, it was like a tropical storm. We didn't know anything about it. We just came down and it was like, all right, it's depression. We're going to keep moving. And 9 times out of 10, it never happens. We've been doing this for 4 years as a family. This is what kind of our group is now, as a family. And never happened before. So people who say we just want to be a part of this, that is not the case. It's not.
And the depression didn't form until after we got here.
Right.
And then it just rapidly, accelerated over 2 days. And by the time we tried to get tickets,
It was too late.
It was too late. We would have, even if we got tickets, we would have never got out.
And the airports had closed down by the time we could get out of here. So.
Yeah.
Any updates on when flights? Any updates on when flights will resume back to the U.S.?
So our flight originally, of course, was canceled. We were supposed to leave yesterday. Now we all have flights for Saturday, but that's out of Montego Bay. So some of us have booked flights for the following Wednesday as well. We have double flights booked in hopes that we'll get out. Wednesday is out of Kingston. We've been told that looks a little better. The problem is where we are because of the direct hit. I know the road to Sandals South Coast is blocked by a massive tree. We were told that the hospitals locally have gone down, and I was talking to some of the staff today because I'm a nurse. So I was like, can you get people here? Because I'm sure there's injured people outside our gates. Nobody here is injured, thank goodness. But we know that outside these gates is hell on earth. Like, we know that. It's so bad out there. It is a nightmare. And so I said, can we maybe bring them in and help? And they can't get in because the trees blocking the road are so massive. So whenever that gets cleared, I guess they'll tell us which airport is even a possibility. We all have adult children, and then we also have a 15-year-old. So they're all taking care of each other, and our neighbors and friends have been amazing to help as well. But yeah, we're just kind of waiting by ear. We were talking to a young couple in the hallway that's so stressed about flights, and I said, we just have to wait. We just have to see where we are demolished. and we don't know when we can get out.
But we're alive.
Yes.
That's what matters.
So grateful to be alive.
Yeah.
Hey, worst case scenario, we'll become Jamaicans, and Charles is back
Yeah.
here is going to grow dreadlocks.
Yeah, that's our plan.
Well, at least you have a backup plan, guys. But all jokes aside, safe travels, and thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.